Paga has just launched in the United States, and if you've never had a Paga account before, here's all you need to know to get started. First, visit the Google Play Store or App Store to download the Paga app. Open the Paga app and tap on Sign Up. Select your primary bank account as your USD account. Proceed to enter your phone number. It is important that you have access to that phone number as you would receive a verification code. Next, enter the OTP sent to your registered phone number and accept the KYC disclosures. You would need to fill up your profile details by telling us your name, date of birth, address, email, and password. You would also have to provide an SSN or ITIN if you have one. But do not worry if you do not have one. You can provide us with an international passport or US driver's license. You would also have to take a selfie so we can match it to your profile. Finally, you would create your Paga tag and agree to the opening consent disclosures. And that's it! Your Paga account is all set.